Whenever I want to record, I have to use this freaking thing. But made it to New York. Oh, I'm so hungry right now. Not a bad hotel though. Even when I checked in, they charged freaking credit card $800, but it's not bad. I'm off to go get some food. I finally made it back to the what is this called? The hotel, and it's been a mess. They did. First off, I got this food, and it didn't come with utensils, so I had to go buy some utensils, and but it's amazing. This is tikka masala, and some black pepper chicken, but it's amazing. It's so good. Living it up here by myself, since they charged me for the room. So Luke finally made it. Very nice. Get a picture of that. It's important. Where is it? Yeah. Juice.
He's up there. Oh, he's gone. I just didn't show his brother.
So Luke, what do you think? What do you think so far?
It's dope, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The cold's not so bad? Very nice. Luke, give me a smile. Cheese. He just tripped.
I don't know, but the front side's giving me a seizure, so.
Very funny. So we made it. Hey, Luke. Very mad. So Luke, what do you think of the turtle? Literally looks like Luke. I swear though, the names are so... How to Czechoslovakia. We just got out of the museum, and look where we are now. Huge ass cathedral. Like the very nice, very nice.
Drifting on the ocean, sometimes I pass by an island, but there's nothing there for me. I move on as the wind blows, hoping to wash up on that shore, and the sand will hold me. Blue, the water and sky, reflection in my eye, and it's true, so true, that my life is a seaside. Is a seaside. Is a seaside. Is a seaside.
Bet you don't do that every day, Luke. How'd you sleep last night? Stealing all my blankets?
You stole all mine first.
Not true.
It is true.
Not true.
Is a seaside. Is a seaside. Water and sky, the water and sky, blue, blue.
And essential. Say it. Come on.
Well, now you don't really need me to now, do you?
We've spent too much time together already.
Is a seaside. Is a seaside. Is a seaside.
Is a seaside. Is a seaside. Is a seaside.
This graffiti's pretty cool.
I like that building better.
Who the heck doesn't know to turn their phones on? Must never been to a museum. Look at that good camera work.